Are you tired of feeling like caring for your natural hair has to be a full-time job? Have you ever wondered if your hair could thrive with a routine that is simple and stress-free? Well, I have good news for you. It is absolutely possible. Hi, my name is Lita and welcome to Natural Hair Motivation. On this channel, we talk about natural hair in a deeper, more empowering way. It's not just about products, it is about mindset, consistency, and love. Today, we are going to talk about how to create and maintain a minimalist natural hair routine that actually works. If you already have a simple routine that has been helping you to care for your hair, share it with us in the comments. We can all learn from each other. First, let's answer the question that is on your mind. Can your hair really thrive on a minimalist routine? The answer is yes. Natural hair doesn't need 10 different steps to be healthy. It only needs to be cleaned, nourished, protected, and left alone to do what it does best: grow. And there are so many benefits to keeping it simple. You save time and money. You avoid product buildup and unnecessary ingredients. You actually get to see how your hair behaves naturally, and you can easily tell which products or methods work for you. Now, let's talk about what a minimalist routine looks like step by step. Think of it as just 5 key habits: cleanse, moisturize, detangle, protect, and trim. Start with a clean foundation. Wash your hair weekly or every 2 weeks to remove dirt, sweat, and product buildup that can block moisture. Use a sulfate-free shampoo or a cleansing conditioner to avoid stripping away your natural oils. Massage your scalp gently to encourage blood flow, and your roots will thank you. After washing and applying your conditioner, you can apply a water-based leave-in conditioner or moisturizer to keep your hair soft and hydrated. Then seal in the moisture with a natural oil like jojoba, argan, olive, or almond oil, or a lightweight butter like shea butter or even mango butter. This step is what keeps your curls healthy and bouncy. Detangling doesn't have to be a battle. Do it with a conditioner for sleep and use your fingers or a detangler. This keeps knots and tangles from turning into breakage. Protective styles are your best friend on a minimalist routine. They keep your ends safe and help you retain length. Choose simple, low-tension styles like twists, braids, or buns. Keep them in for about a week or 2, but avoid styles that pull on your edges. Your scalp health always comes first. Finally, don't forget about your ends. Trim them whenever necessary to keep split ends from traveling up the hair shaft. You can trim them yourself at home, or you can visit a hairstylist, whichever you are most comfortable with. Here's how to make this routine work for you long term. Focus on moisture. Keep water as the foundation of your routine and always seal it in. Avoid product overload. Stick to 4 to 5 core products: cleanser, conditioner, moisturizer, oil or butter, and a deep conditioner if you want extra hydration. Go for low manipulation. The less you handle your hair, the better it retains length and strength. Stay consistent. It is not about how often, it is about showing up for your hair regularly. Once or twice a week can be enough. Listen to your hair. If it feels dry, moisturize. If it is heavy or greasy, it may be time for a wash. Your hair will tell you what it needs if you pay attention. I hope these tips help you see that you don't need a complicated routine to have healthy, thriving hair. Simplicity can be powerful. It frees up your time and allows you to enjoy your natural beauty. If you have a question or you want to share your own routine, you can put it in the comment section below. And remember, your hair is not a problem to fix, it is a part of you to nurture. Protect it, love it, and be consistent. You are beautiful and your hair is a reflection of that. I will see you in my next video. Take care, my beautiful ladies.